friends, I'm Gaurav Shukla, Managing Partner, Outcome Solutions and Services, Middle East and Southeast Asia. I'm back with our new video today. Today's video is very important for most of the consulting firms. It is around client confidentiality, a rare but very essential principle for any firm. Question here is whether the client values such ethics, client values the client confidentiality, and especially if it is someone else's information. Well, let's find out with a case study which we just happened to have observed with one of our proposals. We were in the process of pitching a large and unique consulting prospect, and client wanted us to present our proposal and methodology along with the similar industry experience. So we created our proprietary methodology approach, presented it with similar experience, to which client was happy in the overall approach, but they wanted to see some examples of their industry which we showcased. But the third time when client asked that they wanted to have an exact solution in terms of documentations and other aspects, that is the point when we as a team denied and requested them that this is a client confidentiality and we have signed an agreement, we won't be able to share that. They were quite insistent on that, and we were quite sure that we can't do that because it will be an injustice to all our clients, including the prospective clients. That is where that was the discussion happening between one of our pre-sales directors and client CEO. During the same meeting, I was present along with the managing partner of client, and I closed this meeting saying that what will happen if tomorrow somebody asks us about your information after this project and we share it. As an ethics, we won't share it, and we were pretty clear. Post that, we stopped chasing the client for any further queries. We were quite happy to let go a client which was not feeling giving importance to something like client confidentiality. Few days later, I got a call from managing director of the company saying that he was really impressed and happy about the thought process and the weightage we give to client information, and he felt really safe to give such assignment to us, and how he valued our thought process and not giving up on our ethics. We got the client eventually, but in the process we also learned a major difference between an employee of the organization and a promoter or a business owner of the organization. How they value their information, how critical is the information for such people in different scenarios. And that is where we always believe that if you stick to your ethics, maybe few clients might leave you, but in a long run, most of your clients will stay back. I hope we've understood the concept of client confidentiality today. Thanks for this thought process, and we'll be back soon with new version of it.